Hey, this is Steve Wiedemann. I'm going to do a quick video on the reasons why you might want to move to a platform such as WordPress and kind of go through the process. And I'm going to try to do all this in about 3 to 4 minutes, so bear with me. I'm going to be kind of jamming here. I've got a couple websites that I built for clients in the past prior to WordPress sort of taking off as a really good platform. And the challenge that we've had is anytime one of these clients would want to change content, let's say Federal Resume Writer, for example. This is their old website. If Anita, who is the owner of Federal Resume Writer, calls and says, hey, I need to change something, and I'm sort of the web guy as well as the SEO because she's a small business, it's going to be my team's responsibility to go in and modify source code in HTML. Most businesses would never do this themselves. They'd hire an outsourcing company, and every time she has to make a change, she's got to nag me to do it. So this is her old website, and it's an okay theme that we'd picked up from some website theme generator. Another website, real similar theme, is Bright House Cleaning Services. Again, static HTML. Anytime they'd want to make an update, they'd have to call somebody. Another website that we had to look at the cache for this one was Total Access Security, and they had a flash banner on the top, so Google really only had one link to crawl into from the homepage. Very limiting in terms of providing good content. Another one here is Enhanced Vision. Again, I'm looking at webarchive.org to get a copy of what Enhanced Vision used to look like. They were on a platform called Cold Fusion, which is very complex and difficult to manage, and the developers who run it cost a fortune because there aren't that many of them left. So these are all clients that have migrated over to WordPress. Let's take a look at the WordPress sites now. So here's the old websites. Right, this one's just, there's not even anything here. Enhanced Vision. This is the new Bright House. Let's go back. This is the old. This is the new. Look at this really strong call to action. This is a WordPress theme. In fact, this theme is called Thesis by DIY Themes and runs about $100. Very clean font, very easy SEO links here at the bottom. Click on any of these pages and they take you to a page of content that correlates to the keyword that they'd like to rank for. Let's take a look at Enhanced Vision. Here's their new website. It's built on WordPress. Very simple theme. It's got the social integration. This is a WordPress based website. All of their most important keywords can be found within the copy. Low vision products, for example. Low vision blog, low vision information. Let's go to the next one. Federal Resume Writer. Here's the old one. Right, very simplistic. Fonts kind of bleeding into each other in the navigation here. Here's the new site. Again, very strong call to action. Same theme. She's even put a video up on this page. Oh, did I mention that when you move to WordPress, you're able to do all of your writing yourself and your editing yourself? Anita no longer has to call me. In fact, she's posting job postings very frequently now. All she has to do is log into her admin, federalresumewriter.com/admin, and then she can go right into her posts. If she'd like to change a post or change content on her website, she finds the corresponding page that she'd like to change. You can see she's doing a lot of job postings here. And then she goes in and makes the change. She just clicks on Edit. Let's go into a plan during challenging economic times. Clicks on Edit. Goes right into the content. And she can use this similar to Word tool. Or if she wants to embed some video or other object code from a third-party website, she clicks on HTML here, and she can just paste it right in. So Anita's going in now almost on a daily basis and posting jobs simply by going and creating a new post, writing a title of what that post would be, putting in the content, pasting from Notepad or some other application. What she should be doing, and she isn't yet doing this yet, is using a custom title and meta description. This is what shows up in the search results for a particular keyword. So let's look at another one. Okay, so this is a site that I put together for people who've signed up for our program. Whether you're doing a WordPress site conversion or upgrade to WordPress, or if you're having us do a separate website because you no longer have access to your site or for whatever reason. And what's great about this guide, once you've gone through and played around a little bit with using the site, you can go back into here and learn how to write SEO content. You'll also learn where to submit your website, where it matters the most. I'll give you some suggestions, and you'll see a whole list. It scrolls forever of several different directories and so forth that you could submit to and why you'd want to do that. You can also learn how to get business reviews for your site and use some free SEO tools, how to track your content. Obviously you're going to have a page of content for every keyword you'd like to rank for. You'll learn some simple social marketing, video distribution and how to distribute video to get more saturation in the search results, how to optimize your Facebook page to actually generate revenue and build more visibility to your website, how to build a list for your email opt-in, and hiring a social community manager, somebody who can manage your social media efforts for you if you don't have the time. So again, this is a site to WordPress conversion. Once you've done this conversion, you're able to go in, create new content, edit content, and essentially do your own SEO. You'll be able to fire your SEO company, your SEO agency. So I call this the SEO agency killer. You'll be able to fire your SEO company and write your own SEO titles and write your own SEO descriptions so that your pages show up in the search results the way Anita does. If you were to type in Federal Resume Writer or SES Writer or KSA Writer, she's all over the place. And this is a WordPress based website. It ranks really well. You have control over your content and your site. Oh, and did I mention all the different bells and whistles that we've included in this? Just take a look at some of the different plugins that we've included. This is fantastic. So this actually integrates nicely with Google Analytics. We've got a robots.txt plugin so that we can put in what I believe to be the best optimized robots.txt code. We've got our Meta, this plugin's called Robots Meta, and several others. We've got a static sitemap. We've got an XML sitemap. We've got social integration through Socialite. We'll set all of this stuff up for you, customize it. In fact, in writing, you're going to love this. What we've actually done is integrated, so when you write content, you're automatically going to be notifying all of these different websites that you have new content. And they may pick up that content, and if you've got some links in that content, they're going to pick up the links as well and link back to your site. So you're essentially blasting the world. This technique is called blog and ping. You're essentially blasting the world and saying, hey, I've got new content on my website, come check it out. So does this work? Does converting your website to WordPress make a difference in your traffic? Well, let's find out. So I'm looking at Google Analytics here. This is Google Analytics for the website Federal Resume Writer. Let's take a look at what WordPress and search engine optimization have done. For this particular client, you can see that 84% of the traffic comes from search engines. She hasn't had to pay for much marketing other than from search engine marketing because her traffic has been fantastic, and it's grown over time. It's organic. It does take time. You can see this when we started back in 2008. You can see the traffic sort of increase and increase and increase and increase over time, and year to year you can see the difference. So in Google alone, traffic has gone up 85% from 9,000 visits in 2009 to 17,000 visits in 2009 to 2010. So this is year to year changes. Yahoo, 53% doubled the traffic here. Bing, well, Bing doesn't really count because they moved from live.com. And to be fair, this is where the paid search is coming from. So now we're learning from our organic strategy and doing paid. Anyway, this is Steve Wiedemann. You can see that that doing SEO and using WordPress can make a major difference and impact to your business. I hope you'll give this a shot. Give me a call. Our number is 562-732-4417, or visit my website, seosteve.com. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.